Alright, so today I want to talk about social media and the phones and the screens and the things that we see every single day for multiple hours. Many people see it, but I think not many people understand this. You can do this experiment for yourself. Like when you're outside, when you're sitting in the train, when you're sitting in the park, when you're walking around in the city center or whatever, I bet 60% of all people will sit or stand like this. They're disconnected. They're disconnected from the real offline world. And what I want to talk about in this video is not only that perspective, but also the perspective you need to have as an entrepreneur on social media, because it can very distract you. It can drown your energy, it can drown your focus. And if you look at the average people, studies have shown that the average screen time for many people nowadays is between 3 to 4 hours a day. I think personally it's many more, because many people are working on a screen in an office or whatever, and when they get back from home they are trying to relax by watching a Netflix movie on a screen, by going to scroll on their social media. The young people, especially the young people nowadays, actually they have the resources to be more connected than ever in history, but they feel depressed, they feel lonely, and they feel stressed like never before. This social media thing puts a lot of pressure on people. This social media thing makes it look like everybody has the best life ever. You compare yourself every single time to one other's life and to the things that somebody does or somebody has, and everybody shows their positive thing. That's not bad, of course, but it creates some perspective that is not very real. Social media is not real. Definitely not. So, first of all, you can question yourself if it is a really positive thing, and if you really should be on social media so much like the average is doing. And if you're using social media, are you using it? Or are you used by social media? Social media is a free product. You can easily install Instagram on your phone, create a free account and be on it the whole day and feeling fulfilled by watching the movies and watching the TikToks and stuff. But this social media app wants you to be on it for all of the days and all of the hours, as many as possible, because they can show you as many ads as possible so they can earn money. You are the product. You are the product of the social platform nowadays. But on the other side, as an entrepreneur, you can really use social media in your advantage, because you can produce, you can learn. Everything I've learned so far in my life is literally because of social media and because of reading books. So you can learn a lot of things, you can connect with crazy people, you can earn your money through social media. There are a lot of options to really use it instead of being used. You should think about how you can invest more hours in investing and really using and producing instead of watching reels or watching what everybody else is doing, because it's draining energy, draining your focus. It only will make you more insecure, or you will constantly compare yourself to all of the things you're seeing. Social media is fake, literally. It's a very nice and beautiful place, but I think nowadays it's not going really in the right direction. But you can use it in your advantage, just to be a little bit more aware of what you're doing. And besides that, you can also optimize your screen in your phone. This is my work phone. As you can see, and I will put my home screen on. This is what it looks like for me. When I press 3 times on this button, it turns darker and more red. That's just to have a little bit more red tone, and that the blue light in the screen is a little bit more blocked. This is what I especially do in the evening, but also during my days. The only thing I have on my home screen is my screen time and my calendar. when I need to search for an app, I need to search it in the library, or I need to search it by typing the application. All of my notifications, like this notification here, which distracts me already. This is an email for my business, but I have turned down all of my notifications on my phone. So it can safely lay here on my desk. I've turned down Instagram notifications, all of it, except from when I'm called or when somebody is texting me through WhatsApp. And when I want to clearly focus, I put it on, like it is right now, on do not disturb, like you're seeing there, so that I can focus. And this email which went through, I will put it on focus mode right now as well. It really distracts you, and you think like, all right, there's coming a message, let's see it and let's work further. This uses so much brain capacity that you cannot even imagine, but it uses so much brain capacity that your focus is already drowned by 20% or so. And to regain that focus needs a lot of more minutes to get back. Most of the time you will not even get back. But I think the whole message in this video, and this is just a random video which I just wanted to share, but the whole message is be a little bit more aware of what it's doing, and if it really is bringing you further. Because if it brings you pleasure and you're fine with it, then it's okay. But if it makes you more disappointed in your social life, or you get a little bit insecure of all of those beautiful things you see out there or whatever, and if you are an entrepreneur especially and you want to produce but you're draining a lot of energy and time and whatever on that platforms, I think you should really consider to try to be a little bit more focused by being more aware of how you use it. So yeah, that was it for today. I think in the next video I will talk about the brand, finally, about the brand which I'm going to launch within a week. So the next video will be about that. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, if you like it here. I try to produce, I try to have a little bit more positive effect on the social media of nowadays. I get a lot of positive comments of other entrepreneurs, and I can learn from them, they can learn from me, and it's a great way of using social media. Social media is not bad, it's great, but use it in your advantage. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.